This is Laab, the national dish of Laos. Next to papaya salad, this version is also made within Northern Thailand, Issan region, and made within the Hmong and Mien communities, just to name some. This dish is labor intensive just like with any other Lao dish. It requires so many ingredients and preparation because we eat everything with a lot of veggies and herbs. I remember just mincing every little herb from my mom as a child. This is probably why my left shoulders are stronger as an adult. So whenever I get to eat this, I get so happy because I know it was made with love. First, start by prepping your veggies and herbs. Next, grill your beef. This can be made raw as well. Once complete, mince your beef. Next, in the mixing bowl, add sliced chicken heart, chicken gizzard, beef liver, honeycomb tripe, minced galangal, minced Kaffir lime leaves, minced shallots, and minced cilantro. Season with fermented fish sauce badak, magic dust MSG, fish sauce, lime juice, minced lemongrass, mint leaves, sliced shallots, and lastly, the star of the show, toasted rice powder kaukua. This dish is best paired with sticky rice and crunchy veggies and herbs. I like to do 1 pepper per bite. To complete this meal the authentic way, you have to make beef inner soup gang khang nai. I like to slurp down the hot piping broth that is savory and light. Each sip warms up my soul and is so delicious and comforting. In America, it's hard to find laab with soup made this way at Lao and Thai restaurants. When you do find one, it's mostly at mom and pop restaurants in the hole-in-the-wall area of the town. I hope you guys get to try this complete, authentic meal one day. Save this recipe video for later or tag a friend who you want to go try this with.